everybody, it's Eva
and Isaac,
and welcome back to another episode of
Sweet Tooth Crafts,
where today we are going to be making quick salt clay ornaments. Let's get started, and please subscribe and hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Now let's get started.
First of all, we're going to make the salt clay, which is just 3/4 cup of salt, which is a lot of salt.
It is a lot of salt.
It's very heavy.
3/4 cup of water.
Yeah, 3/4 cup of water.
And 2 cups of flour.
Yeah, 2 cups of flour. So we have...
That is 1 cup.
1 cup. And...
2 cups of flour. And now we're mixing it.
Yeah.
And you mix it until it's a good consistency.
Yeah, make sure it's like, you know, just like feels like clay, kind of.
Mm-hmm. Smells good, but don't eat it.
Yeah.
It's really salty.
If it like falls apart too much, just add a little bit more water. I'm just going to do it with my hands, actually, because it's probably the fastest way to do it.
Okay. Then we're going to split it up into 3 separate bowls and get 1 green, 1 pink, and then leave the rest white so we can have cool ornaments.
Yeah.
And we want to make sure to poke holes in the top so that you can hang them with little string.
I think we might need to add a little bit more water.
Yeah.
Just to make it more a little smoothie, but just
a tiny bit. And I will start flouring the surface where we will put our ornaments and shape them. Now mix that. Make our ornaments on it.
I seriously want to eat this right now. It looks like bread dough.
Kind of like clay. So it's kind of like cookie dough actually, and this is really, really good consistency here so you can mold it and stuff. So we're going to start making our ornaments. But first we have to separate them. Let's separate into 3 separate bowls. There's that.
Well, yeah, 2.
And there's...
They don't have to be even because we're just...
So, do a few drops of whatever food coloring. We're doing green for the trees. I don't really want to stain my hands, but I'm gonna be very careful and fold it in half.
Oh yeah, I think
you can also put it in earlier while you're still mixing everything, because then it will be easier, but we wanted to separate it afterwards, and so this does take a lot of kneading and it's kind of painful. Yeah, this is a good consistency for me because I'm doing candy cane, and so this pink is very light and nice.
Yeah, mine just needs to be mixed through a little more so that it's spread around better.
I'm pushing it down. Yeah, I'll move this.
Ooh, it's beautiful.
Go away. Okay. It is very beautiful. I'm pushing it down onto the counter, and it's on a floured surface. And press it down.
So be very careful when you're doing the food dye because it stains. It will stain your counter. Yeah.
So just don't. Make sure you. If you want to, you could put down like things, napkins underneath or whatever. But just make sure you don't get on the counter. And there's the first candy cane.
Beautiful. Now we need to poke a hole in it.
We're going to use a skewer to poke a hole in the top so that a string can fit through it.
Yeah, just a really small hole if you, well, that's a thicker string, but.
Yeah, I got the hole in, and now this one is finished. So you do have to bake these. So you're going to put these on a lined pan.
You're actually going to, so when they bake, they expand a little bit, so you're going to want to make the hole bigger than you think you're going to need to make it.
Okay. You can also get a rolling pin. But we do want them to be kind of thick, not too thin, you know?
Okay, so I made my tree.
Yeah. I am going to line these on this parchment paper, and then I'm going to put it in our toaster oven. Okay. I have 2 angels, 2 trees, and 3 candy canes, and I'm going to put them in the oven now. Actually, I have an idea for the candy cane. I'm going to put some white on the pink and then make stripes.
Play around with it.
That's very nice. And now, we bake them. And it's cooking. We're basically going to watch it, but we're cooking it for 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So just watch it, and whenever they look like they're finished, you can take them out and put the string through them. And then they're ornaments. So we'll see when they come out of the oven. So once your ornaments are out of the oven, you let them sit for a while so that they can harden enough. And these ones turned out really great. Look at that. Beautiful. And now we go on to the threading process, which is just basically taking a piece of string and putting it through the little hole thing.
if you can get it through.
Oh. Yeah.
Right.
There.
And also, these things do not break very easily.
Yeah.
If
They're pretty
you
breakable.
like, you can just slam them against. I wouldn't try slamming against
Yeah.
the counter. Don't break your counter. They like are pretty hard. They're pretty tough. Like you have to kind of tear them apart.
Yep. So these are great ornaments, shatterproof.
Yeah.
And you just do a knot at the top by taking the 2 strings together and then tying it like that. So you can't tie it like a normal knot. You have to take the 2 strings together and then tie it. And then you get this nice knot that doesn't move. And now you have a beautiful ornament and you can hang it on your tree.
Yeah. Very nice.
These are actually edible, but they taste disgusting because it's flour and salt and water. And they're also pretty breakable proof.
Yeah. Shatterproof.
Shatterproof, yes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. That's all we have today for this video. So if you liked it, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really means a lot to us, the support and stuff.
And also, please post your suggestions in the comments below.
We love suggestions. It actually helps us do videos. So if you have a suggestion for a video or challenge we should do or something that you want to see us make a tutorial on, please let us know and we will get it done as soon as we can. Again, thanks for watching and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.